Yeah, Miss Constantine, you may want to move out of the way there.
Oh, sorry.
So, no, you can stay there if you want. Did you have the paperwork? Oh, you're bringing it. Okay. What's my day? 28.
In Judge Simpson's courtroom, tension rises as Joshua Warra refuses legal help and demands to defend himself. Confused, defiant, and determined, his voice shakes the courtroom as questions of sanity, truth, and justice collide.
Court does call the case. People versus Joshua Warra.
Trevor Mabel for the people here.
We are ready in this matter. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Warra. Mr. Warra, state your name for the record.
Joshua Warra.
As the hearing begins, Joshua Warra stands firm, rejecting his attorney and claiming he's fully capable of representing himself. But behind his confidence, Judge Simpson senses something deeper, a storm of confusion and mistrust. The case isn't just about a traffic accident anymore. It's about a man fighting both the system and his own mind.
All right. And this is a date and time I had set preliminary examination in this matter. My understanding is you would like a forensic evaluation.
That is correct, Your Honor. Based on my conversations with Mr. Warra.
Forensic evaluation for what? What's going on here?
Based on my conversations with Mr. Warra, I believe that it is necessary.
Hey, I'm representing myself. What are my charges? What am I in here for?
Charged with leaving the scene of an accident causing serious injury, Warra insists he's innocent. He claims an AI hacked the traffic lights, and that shadowy groups are working against him. Every word leaves the courtroom in stunned silence, as his version of reality drifts further from the legal facts before him.
I'm representing myself. I don't need a barcode to represent myself. What am I in here for? What charges am I on here for? I don't need a forensic exam. I'm not mentally disabled. I have ADHD and PTSD. I'm perfectly fine. I'm not on Social Security.
Sir, you are before the court on a felony complaint that alleges that on or about, as I read to you before, October 15, 2025, location of South Main Street and East William Street in the city of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan, that you did fail to stop at the scene of an accident resulting in serious impairment or death. Individual.
The guy was perfectly fine.
That is a felony, punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and a $5,000 fine plus court costs. You do understand that, sir?
I understand that. Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Count 2 on that complaint alleges that on that same date and at that same location that you did commit a moving violation causing serious impairment of a bodily function.
Even when told he faces a felony, Warra argues he's mentally sound. He lists his achievements, a GED earned in record time, as proof of competence. But Judge Simpson, watching his erratic statements, begins to wonder, is this confidence or confusion in disguise?
That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yeah, I understand that.
All right, so that is what you are here for.
Mr. Simpson, I'd like to subpoena the camera footage from the mobile gas station there on North Main Street that I was at, or on South Main Street where I was at, over on South Main Street in Maynard. My car was parked there the whole time. I accidentally hit the guy. They hacked the light using an AI.
Sir, Mr. Warra, I'm going to suggest to you this. Refrain from saying anything, because anything you say can be used.
Oh, I know. They used an AI ethical hacking app, the Tomboys and the Ku Klux Klan, and they had broken my glasses when I wasn't. They took my car for a joyride and broke my glasses while I was at St. Joe's Hospital.
The Klan did?
Huh? Yeah, the Ku Klux Klan. You can subpoena video records, and I subpoena the security guards from St. Joe's Hospital, Trinity Hospital.
The reason, sir, That's one of the reasons why you have an attorney. Did you let them know that?
No, I don't have an attorney. I told them I don't want anybody to represent.
wanna
I said I'm
represent
representing
yourself?
myself. Yes.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, I would like to do that.
Sure.
And I would like to
I
subpoena the
do
camera
have to
footage from the
advise
mobile
you,
gas station
now
on
knowing
Main.
what the
South
charges
Main.
are, sir, that if you elect to represent yourself, you'll be held to the same standards as an attorney would regarding the rules of evidence and procedure in the courtroom.
Yes, Your Honor, I
And
understand
would
that.
not be shown any favoritism.
Yes, and I would like to subpoena my discovery
If at
packet,
some point in
please.
time you wish then to be represented by counsel, you need to make that request to the court.
Okay. I've
to
tried
do
calling the
that.
public defender's office and I've tried to tell them I want to represent myself. And I've tried to subpoena my discovery packet and they won't bring it to me. I need to subpoena my discovery packet for all cases available, please.
All
And I would like,
cases
yep,
only
and I
have
would like to
one. You have
also
more than
subpoena everybody's address in the MDOC that's involved in the Neuralink case through Secretary of State, phone numbers, text messages, and visual voicemail records. And I would like to subpoena the phone recordings, Securus GTL recordings from when I was in the MDOC at ARF level 4. And WCC pictures and
Sir,
photos.
I have listened to you both through the last hearing and this hearing. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm not going to relieve the public defenders, but I am concerned, while you have indicated to me that you don't need a forensic evaluation, the court, in listening to you, does believe that you would need a forensic evaluation.
No, I'm perfectly
your
fine,
own,
Mr. Simpson.
Sir,
When the judge orders a forensic evaluation, Warra protests. He believes he's fine, just misunderstood. But the court sees a man unraveling, trapped between frustration and fear, trying to hold on to control while his case spirals away from him.
for your own
I'm not on Social
protection and
Security.
preservation of your rights.
I'm not on Social Security. I'm over the age of 25. I'm not mentally disabled. I do not need a forensic
And sir, here's the
investigation.
thing.
I do not
I
go
have
to the
to,
forensic center.
I have to, in terms of these proceedings, make sure that you are competent and
Oh, I'm
that
very
no
competent,
link-
Cedric Simpson. You can tell. I'm very
Thank you, sir.
intelligent.
You
I have a
can name
GED.
that
I got a
you've got
GED in
GED.
2013 in 3
Okay,
months.
all right.
I got a GED from Washington Community College Adult Transitions Program in less than 90 days in 2013. You can subpoena that record. If someone can get a GED in less than 5 months, I'm pretty sure they're competent. And I would like to
Well,
subpoena my GED from the
Here,
Adult
then you
Transitions
can
Program
do
in
that.
2013
You
at
can-
Washington
you
Community
can draft a
College.
subpoena. I will not relieve the public defender at this point, but I will consider certainly that once the.
Thank you. Yeah, that way
Forensic
if you see I got a
evaluation
GED from WCC
I
in
am-
2013 in 3 months, you know I'm competent. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Judge.
I am going to order a forensic evaluation. I will set a competency hearing just to make sure. I'm going to set that for January 29th, 2025,
January 29.
a.m. I will sign an order to
Can you
that
give me a
effect
PR
at
bond,
this
please,
time.
Judge?
I'm sorry.
Can I please, I would like to request a PR bond.
This time you can file a motion, or somebody can file a motion before the court, and I'll consider a written motion, but at this time I'm not going to change the bond in this case.
What is the bond?
As the hearing nears its end, Warra demands subpoenas, video footage, and even addresses of officials. He speaks faster, his words spilling into chaos. The judge tries to steady the moment, calm yet firm, knowing that the next step could determine whether Joshua faces justice or judgment of another kind.
Currently, your bond is set at $25,000 cash sure.
Do you have any bail bondsman numbers for me that I could get a hold of, please?
Sorry, don't
I
need
can.
those.
I'd like to subpoena a
You
bail
can-
bondsman
you can
phone
check
number.
with the individuals at the jail. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to assist you in that regard. All right? So that you understand, I'm leaving the public defender on the case at this point.
No, I don't want a
Get
public
the
defender.
evaluation. I hear you, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. We will get the evaluation. I'd suggest that you be cooperative in that. You may be right, it'll come back competent, and then we can get this proceeding moving even quicker.
Not gonna come back, huh? Y'all gonna try to.
Before we go off the record,
Y'all corrupt as it up. Y'all fucked up, people.
In a case filled with confusion, conviction, and questions of the mind, one thing is clear: this courtroom won't forget Joshua Warra. As Judge Simpson orders the forensic exam, the truth about Warra's state of mind may finally come to light.